Here's the biggest mistakes most people do that cause them never to get a citizenship for life that I want you to avoid. Most people, when their parents apply for them or their siblings apply for them when they are over 21, they file the I-130 petition. When the I-130 petition is approved, they go forwarded to the embassy. Of course, it takes many years because they are over 21. Now, before going to the embassy for interview, they either get married or just after their interview, they go ahead and marry their boyfriends or girlfriends. And guess what? So the embassy know that they're single, and they tell the embassy that they are single because they know if they tell the embassy they are married, everything's gonna be messed up. So they go ahead and marry and they won't tell the embassy. So this is the problem. When they come to the US at the airport, they will never disclose that they are married. So they stay quiet. They come to the US, then a few years, they go ahead and petition or apply for that spouse. So that spouse come to the US with a green card, and guess what? After the spouse come to the US, USCIS and immigration actually sees this, but they stay quiet. They're waiting for this person when he's about to apply for citizenship so they can get it. So when you go to apply for citizenship, USCIS, guess what? They dig deeper and found out that yes, you came to the US, you applied for your spouse, and you got a green card when you weren't supposed to get it because you were already married, but you actually failed to disclose this to them. So you came in when you weren't supposed to come in. So as a result, you never get your citizenship for the rest of your life. If you ever found yourself in this situation, you have to know that you're in a serious trouble. And what you can do in this situation, because your citizenship you never get, but green card you can keep because of the 5 years statute of limitation. But with Trump, he's really taking away the statute of limitation. So if they found that you made this mistake, or you lied to them, or you misrepresented yourself and came to the US when you weren't supposed to come, guess what? They'll take your green card away and they'll take your citizenship away, meaning you never get a green card or you never get a citizenship. If you found yourself in this situation, the only way you can ever get a green card or citizenship in the US is to remarry again to a US citizen, then readjust your status, then apply for a new green card, then you can get a citizenship. If you don't do that, you will never ever get your citizenship for the rest of your life. And especially if they put in your records that you committed fraud. If they ever put in your record that you committed fraud, you are in serious trouble because you never ever get your citizenship for the rest of your life. So if you find yourself in a situation where your boyfriend or girlfriend or fiance is pressuring you to marry them after your interview or before your interview, before coming to the US, you have to say no. Come first to the US, get your green card, then go back to your country, marry your boyfriends or your fiance or your girlfriends, then come back to the US and then petition for them. This way they'll come to the US and will avoid the issue of fraud or misrepresentation, because so many people right now, they're in this situation. And unfortunately, they end up losing their green card, end up losing citizenship, and found themselves in deportation. If you want to talk to me, make sure you request for a free video consultation so you can see me face to face. So many fake pages impersonating me. My contact, my website, and my bio.